What we have over here is our new project build that we did for VW of America. It is a 2019 model Jetta with very few modifications on the outside with removed mirrors and a air dam in the front. It's an excellent pick for what we do out here for land speed racing. It's a long wheelbase car, four-door sedan. It just has excellent aerodynamics. This particular vehicle, the VW group designed it and actually got it down to 0.27 drag coefficient number, which is just a phenomenal number for this type of car. So the performance level that we can get this thing to is really, really good out here. This is our third project for VW. We have done in the past the hybrid Jetta project with them, and 2 years ago we finished another project that was the GSR land speed Beetle, which we were just thrilled to get over 200 miles per hour. And from that project, you know, we went into the new Jetta right now, and this has been very successful pretty much first time out, so we're really thrilled about that. The race team that we came here with, it's basically 3 of the crew, including me. First of all, Jonas Sundby. He's a dear friend of mine that I've met through other motorsports. He's a professional motorsports mechanic in Europe and actually currently works in one of the touring series. The other team member is also a dear friend of mine, Dan Hurley. He always is eager to help out and volunteer his time. So Bonneville is very unique. I mean, the landscape here, as you can see, is just surreal. It almost feels like being on the surface of the moon. The conditions here are ideal for making land speed runs. The surface is very smooth. If the humidity is relatively low, then the traction is extremely good for this type of surface at speed. And the main thing is that it's a really long course that in any other place it's very difficult to get 5 to 8 mile stretch of surface that's safe to race, and this is one of few of the places on Earth that is. So we got the car up to over 210 miles per hour. We were at exactly 210.69 to be exact on the peak speed through the last traveled mile, and on the data acquisition we actually recorded over 211 peak speed through that section in one spot. Yeah, so thanks to the fact that Volkswagen designed such a really aerodynamic package with a pretty large wheelbase on this car, it is extremely stable at high speed. So it's really an ideal kind of package, and really good conditions that we ran in that all added up to this kind of performance. So again, you know, being able to come out here first time out, do very little testing at speed during the event and set a land speed record, we were extremely thrilled with that.